In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a passive income using only your Facebook account. No paid advertising, no MLM, nothing like that. I've been able to generate $3,300 in passive monthly income from this one system alone. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that using only your Facebook account. My name is Dylan DeFazio and welcome to this training. What I'm going to be going over in this training is not only how to set up your account so that you can start getting paid instant PayPal commissions. Now, what's going to happen is if you click the link below this video, you're going to get sent over to our referral link. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to this page. You want to make sure you watch the entire video because you're about to obtain a platform, a membership site, which you're going to be able to sell as your own. You're going to be able to earn 100% commissions. Now, this might seem, you might be a little skeptical. You might think this is another one of those, get rich quick schemes or an MLM or something like that. I don't know what the hell you're thinking. But what I'm about to share with you is not only how simple this system is, but how it's unlike anything I've seen before. I've seen a lot of 100% commissions and they all involve some sort of pass up. So whether that be, your second sale is a pass up or, every other sale is a pass up, I'm not sure what it is, but there's always there's always an MLM feel to it. With this, it's completely different. What you're going to receive is you're going to receive two different levels. Now, everybody should get started for at least the $25 per month fee. Now, why should you get started for the $25 fee? This is going to give you access to our Facebook auto script. Now, if we go over to my Facebook, when I joined this business, I had about 2,600 friends. So in the last 4 days, now remember, I've been able to generate $3,300 in passive monthly income in 4 days using my Facebook profile. If you add me on Facebook, just type in Dylan DeFazio. My name's right there. I'm a real person. You can add me. Definitely take a look. But what you're going to receive and what you can see with this Facebook script is in the last couple days, and I haven't been doing this very much. I'm a bartender. I work 10, 12 hours sometimes. So, I put the time in when I can, but I've been able to add an extra 1,000 people, right? And that's getting me consistent traffic to this offer. I'm getting anywhere from, 5 to 10 new members every single day just using my Facebook account. And, I plan to ramp it up and take it to the next level here. So if you guys want to join along with me, you're more than welcome to. All you got to do is click that button below. And what that's going to do is that's going to, bring you over to this sign up page. Obviously, you want to watch this video. So what's going to happen is that's going to bring you over to this page, and that's going to allow you to go through Vic's training. Now, what Vic is going to do is he's going to break down the membership. He's going to show you the Facebook script in action. And he's going to break down, a lot of what you're going to receive in this training. So you want to make sure you click the button below and watch that video before you set up your account. I can't stress that enough. A lot of people, they think they can just go through, just set up the account, and then my Facebook gets blown up with people asking me questions saying, hey, asking me stupid questions that were in the videos, right? So you want to make sure that you watch the videos and you will make money. I can guarantee that, but you have to do the training. You have to put in the work. And if you're not willing to do that, then you can just exit off this page and, continue on with your day. But if you're here to make money, this is what you need to do. You need to go through, you need to watch all the trainings. Once you watch that video and you set up your account, you're going to be brought to a page which is going to ask you to pay your membership fee, or your admin fee, sorry. Your admin fee is the monthly fee. Now, what are you going to receive for that monthly fee? You're going to receive your Facebook auto script, which again is going to show you how to grow your Facebook profile. You're going to receive 2 trainings on how to get leads from Facebook. Now, literally, all I'm doing is following exactly what Vic teaches in these 2 trainings. And as you guys see here, I'm getting 5 to 10 new members every single day. You can go out and just use this monthly training, this Facebook auto script and the Facebook training to promote any other business you want, just simply tapping into the free traffic that you can get with Facebook. Now, what do you get for the membership fee, right? Everybody's wondering about the membership fee, and I want you to pay very close attention because this is where the potential monthly income comes into play. All right. What if you just have the admin fee and you don't have your membership fee, which again you need to pay every single week, or your membership, your PayPal link will disappear, right? So right here is my PayPal link because my membership fee is paid. Today is the 4th of March, and as you guys see here, I got to pay again by the 9th of March. And if I don't pay, my PayPal link is going to go away. Now, what does that mean? Well, with this, we get to create our own product, essentially. We get to leverage this membership site, which is a weekly membership site. Vic's going to add, anywhere from 1 to 4 trainings every single week, and it's only $25. These trainings are going to teach you, anywhere from mindset to email marketing to, traffic generation to conversions. Everything that you need to know is going to be inside of this membership site, and you can go back at any time and watch the videos again. So super, super cool there. Now, what you're going to be able to get is, again, you're going to be able to get your own PayPal link, which is going to give you access to earn instant commissions. Now, as you guys see here, with only a few members, you can create a massive monthly income. And I mean, for literally $25, you're going to earn $25 every time somebody signs up. So if in total, right, let's just do the math here. Should we just pull up a notepad? So it's going to be $25 for the membership, or for the admin fee, right? That's a monthly fee. Now it's going to be $25 for the member fee. That's going to be weekly, right? So in total, you're going to pay $125 per month. Now watch this. One person, let's put a negative, right? You're negative $25 per month if you sign up one person, because you're going to earn $100 from that person, right? Next month, you're 75, or next person, right? So you have 2 signups now. You're going to get $75 per month. And now this is going to increase by $100 per month per sign up. Okay, I hope you guys see the power here, right? With only 33 members, that's $3,300 per month in residual income paid directly to your PayPal. You can start getting your PayPal notifications, going off the charts. You got to put your phone on mute because the PayPal notifications just won't stop coming. So what you guys need to do to get set up, click the link below this video, watch this video, right? Make sure you go through. Your back office should look like mine. You want to pay your admin fee. You want to pay your membership fee. Now remember, do not promote this link, right? You can promote it if you want, but the person above you, so if you're under me, I will earn the commissions. I don't want to earn the commissions from your work. Pay the $25 per week membership fee. If you try it out for 2 weeks and you don't like it, well, whoop-de-doo, you lost $50, right? But go through and actually, watch the training videos. Don't just say, hey, I set up, I put my PayPal link in, I'm ready to make money, and then do absolutely nothing. If you look at my profile, right? If you look at my profile, I'm posting frequently, and it's consistently about this business, right? So we want to show people that we're growing, and that's what we're doing here. We're taking our results and we're compounding those results on social media, aka social proof, right? So as you guys see here, I share my income proof with everybody, and that is going to show people that it works, and they might want more information. Then all you have to do is send them the video, and this video is converting for me like 50-60%. The conversion rates are insane. So you want to watch that video, check everything out there, and if you guys have any questions, on this page somewhere there'll be access to my membership or my Facebook group. So if you guys want to get access to my Facebook group, the Six Figure Clan, you can just simply type it into Facebook, request access, or click the link on this page and get access to the Six Figure Clan. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Welcome to This Is Not MLM business, and let me know inside of the group some of the results that you guys are getting. I want you to be sharing your guys' monthly income updates with me. We got some people within their first day already having 4 or 5 new members, which is amazing. So click the link below, rewatch this video if you need to. If you're watching it on YouTube or whatever, give it a thumbs up, and thank you again for watching. Hope you guys got some value, and we'll see you in the next video.